Thank you for keeping it a Citizen Weekend. And before we get into matters Olympics and athletics, homicide investigators probing the Kware killings in Nairobi's pipeline estate have 7 days to finalize investigations and have 3 suspects face charges. A Makadara law court on Friday ruled that the 3 accused persons should be detained at different police stations within Nairobi, and the matter be mentioned on the 26th of August for further guidance after the prosecution file has been reviewed by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions.
3 suspects linked to the horrific Kware killings will remain in custody for another 7 days to allow investigators to have the prosecution file ready. The 3 accused include the prime murder suspect Collins Jumaisi Halusha and 2 of his accomplices, Amos Momanyi and Moses Ogembo.
We have identified 6 victims.
Inspector Patrick Washira, who is the lead investigator, told the court the 3 accused persons will be charged for the murder of 6 victims, who have so far been identified from the 17 body parts recovered from the Kware crime scene. The investigating officer sought 21 days to address missing gaps in his evidence file. Among things that must be addressed include having the final DNA samples of the identified victims, recording further statements from witnesses, and the victims' mobile phones and those of the suspects subjected to a forensic analysis.
We have found about 3 phones, one of them belonging to Jocelyn.
The officer says it is important to have results of DNA analysis of the prime suspect and those of his victims, as well as exhibits recovered at his house. After consideration and consolidation of the 3 files, the court ruled to have the suspect detained until 26th of August for mention.
We are yet to get the final comprehensive DNA and toxicological report on each of the 17 body parts.
The prosecution is hiding under miscellaneous applications.
And allow that application by the applicant, but it is limited to a period of only 7 days.
Investigators who are relying on forensic evidence insist the 3 accused operated like a gang and were all aware of crimes committed by the prime murder suspect, Collins Halusha. Franklin Wala, Citizen TV.